Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have my monthly P.Louise box. And I remembered, I'm watching you, that P.Louise just wants to roll off my tongue. I don't know why, but it's P.Louise. I don't know why, you guys, it just does. So, got the bag, and I'm gonna, and let's rip the tab off. It says, the day has arrived. It's time to say I do. Let P.Louise make all of your dreams come true. So it sounds like it is their wedding box. Okay. And on the front, it said, I said yes to P.Louise. Prepare to fall in love. Isn't that just sweet? I want to say, isn't that just precious? Okay, so I think the first thing we got here, I think it's kind of like a freebie or a sample. I'm not quite sure. I think. Because I've seen this before. So let me just show you. There we go. So I'm thinking this is like a new product. Yeah, it says, yeah, a brand new formula. So this is Achieve the Perfect Pout XOXO. It's a cosmetic base. And then it looks like we also, yes, we have a lip liner. So the color must be Baby Doll. And then the lip liner, it says Mini Rich Tea, brand new formula. Okay. So this is a brand new lip liner formula. And it shows us the new shades right here. So let me get that up here. You guys, you can see it. They're very similar. Very similar. This one is the Rich Tea. So it is that one right there. So 13 new shades, and then it does also shows what their current shades are, and then the base. So, although not new to P.Louise, our Baby Doll lip base is a bestseller for a reason. It's super hydrating, creamy formula, makes the perfect pout achievable in seconds. Our lip base has a thick consistency to ensure a smooth application. I agree. Their bases are very thick. Oh, I swear, it comes, like, barely put any pressure on it because it comes out, you know, so quick, and you, like, that is too much. So I'm going to put this on my hands. Okay, my lips definitely look light color. Do they really look? Okay, so if this is supposed to be a base, let's see here. Okay, it's the way it's reading is that it says base, but it's the lip color. So hold up, gotta get that off. Some of their colors just do not work for me. I don't know, they just don't. It'd be interesting to see what that looked like on camera, because it looked very white to me, although it didn't look white here, and it didn't look white on the color itself. But this is supposed to be a flake proof, crack proof lip base, and it does give us instructions on how to create the perfect combo utilizing the the lip liner and the base. So let me check out this. I mean, it's brown. Now, mind you, oh goodness, let me see here. Let me go this way. Can you see that? I mean, it's brown. I'll play with it. I'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna play with it, and we will just see how it goes, you guys. Okay, let's open this item first because it's a palette. Behind the Veil begins our fairy tale. It's a palette for eye and face. This is another one of those that on the back, right here, it does say which can use around the eyes, which ones are not for use around the eyes, and then it also says another not for use around the eyes. But apparently those last two must be due to different ingredients because they've detailed all that out here. And I just find this so interesting because I thought the last time, yes, so the last time it indicated this is like a US law. And it looks like that's what it is this time as well. And Europe just seems like they're so much more strict on things, more so than the US. So it just surprises me to see like something like this. Now, maybe it's all being driven by one particular state. That I'm wondering if is the case. And maybe they're having to target the entire US for that one particular state. That makes more sense to me. But here we go. Let's open it up. There's the colors, you guys. Okay. These coppery colors, you guys, are so pretty. I mean, they are so pretty. And this is like a cream formula. Things are just not showing up very well today. I don't know why. Yeah, it's like a cream formula. And, I don't know if you can see down here, they've sweated. They're beautiful, you guys. They're very, very, very pretty. Those are very pretty. I might just have to keep those for myself and those not going to my niece. Because I will say that the big birthday kit, her and one of her friends, oh my goodness, they had so much fun. We took them up to Chicago for a weekend and they had so much fun playing with all those colors and everything. Well, before I get into this, here we go, special delivery. And on the back, it's like a little envelope. Isn't that cute? Her packaging is fun. Just straight up fun is her packaging. I mean, she could sell just packaging. Okay, this is a sticker. All right. Look at that. And I'm making the assumption that these are the ones that melt, but you guys, they're heart shape. They're heart shape. These little hearts are adorable. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, the lashes. Okay, the top, I believe, are called hearts aligned. The bottom are called locked in. You give me forever flutters. Okay. I can't wear them just because I wear glasses, but it's, no, I shouldn't say that. It's not because I wear glasses. One, since I wear glasses, and I have bangs, just don't really do a ton on my eyes, generally speaking. Okay, this is another palette for eye and face. Hold My Hand, Honey, Bound by the Stars, United by Love. Let's see what this one looks like. And this is another one where, no. Oh yeah, this is another one. Can use around the eyes, not for use around the eyes. I've just never seen that before until, let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Those are pretty too. I wonder how like similar they are to what we already have though. Let me put this, sit this down. What I'm hoping in here is I'm hoping there's like a blush because we get a lot of eye stuff from them. All right, let's see here. Any kind of similarities? Let's see. Now, I will say these are powder. The glittery kind of stuff is powder too, but everything else looks like it's a cream base. But I guess different. Yeah, they're different, you guys. They're different. Okay, got more things. So it looks like we have 3 more things in here. The next one is Lip Drip Coconut. Witness the Wetness, and it is coconut cake. And another one of those that is like a keychain. You guys, I love that color. Let's see. Let me put that off. I love this color. I hope this color looks okay. And I'm just gonna push just a little. All right. I can't really tell. I'll have to look. I'm thinking I like it. I'm gonna have to. It looks light here. I'm just gonna have to see in person. It's definitely coconutty. It is coconutty. All right, and next is a Glisten to Your Heart. It is First Dance, and it is a glitter liner. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave that one in the box because I'm struggling with these boxes, you guys. And then the last item in here is, okay, it is a liquid shimmer blush. Revitalized appearance, the cheek of it. Cute. A flirty flush of Reflex. Syrup Stars is the color. Let's see, you guys. I hope it's not too orange for me. And I love these things now. I'm going very slow because I'm assuming these are like other things. Okay. All right. And my hand, okay, so my hands are tan, so I'm gonna go, I'll just try here. I mean, I like it on my tan skin, you guys. So yeah, it's so hard for some reason today. I like it. I like the color. So what is my niece getting out of this box? I'm thinking that these will be mine. Oh wait, wrong thing. Back it up, you guys, back it up. Mine. I definitely want to try out this liner. The base, I'm going to try it out. I don't think the base will work, but I'm going to have to like get better lighting. So that's a maybe. She is going to love this glitter liner. She is going to love playing with these. Her 13th birthday's in 2 weeks, you guys. I am going to try some of these colors. I just don't know. Well, one, I don't know how well they're going to look on me. And 2, am I going to consistently do it? Because if I'm having to go into work, just getting dressed that day, having to do my eyes, I don't know if I want to do that or not. We'll see. So my niece might end up with these as well. So when I signed up for this box, I went ahead and I did prepay for 6 months to take advantage of, I believe we only had to pay shipping once. Is this, I'm thinking maybe my 4th box. I'm going to have to go and check. But it is super fun getting this box, you guys, but I don't think I will be continuing the box just because the products just aren't for me. My nieces have been getting awesome products, and I would have loved it when I was younger. Not that I don't love it now, just I'm older, more mature, aging like fine wine. So this will be one of the boxes I just don't continue. So let's do the scoring. So experience, P.Louise is just amazing every time. So the experience is a 10, and she's got great quality. So I'm gonna go with a 9 on the quality. Value, I'm gonna go with a 9. New, different, unique, that's gotta be a 10. Retention and usability. Again, I struggle with this one every time. So I am just going to score this one based on, it's hard because it's makeup. And when you get a lot of makeup, you end up getting a lot of makeup. Now, with that being said, she gives you different types of things. And every month they're different. So, and they're different from any other subscription out there as well. So retention, usability, I'm going to give them an 8. So this month is a high score. We got a 46 out of 50. So great score for a super fun box. So if you are looking for a gift for someone that loves makeup, or a teenage girl, girls in her 20s, 30s, but loving makeup, they would love this box, you guys. So I think you should check it out for that. But coming to a close, so I hope you guys are having a good week, and thanks for spending time with me, and we will spend some time with each other again here shortly. So take care, everyone. Bye-bye.